Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a delayed account on the application of ESPN. You will click on settings. Here on this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about ESPN and you will click. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store, you will search about the application of ESPN, and then if you find updates you can update your app. So please